If you want to buy a domain from Namecheap using your debit card, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to search for a domain, add it to your cart, pay securely with a debit card, and confirm that your domain has been successfully added to your account. If this video helps, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password and sign in. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can purchase a domain. Once you're inside your account, look for the domain name search box. This is where you can type the domain name you want to register. Enter the exact name you're looking for, whether it's for a business, a personal brand, or a project you're starting. After entering the domain name, click Search. Namecheap will check whether that domain is available. If the exact name you want is taken, you may see alternative suggestions or different extensions like .com, .net, or .org. If you find an available domain, click Add to Cart. This adds the domain to your shopping cart, so you can continue with checkout. At this point, you can decide whether you want one domain or multiple domains, depending on your needs. Now click Checkout. This takes you to the order summary page where you can review everything before paying. Take a moment to check the domain registration period. Namecheap may offer options for 1 year, 2 years, or longer, so make sure the registration length matches what you want. Also, review any extra services that may have been added automatically. Sometimes there are add-ons like privacy protection, email services, or other optional features. If you don't want them, remove anything unnecessary so you only pay for what you actually need. Next, look at the Auto-Renewal setting. You can turn it on or off based on your preference. If you want your domain to renew automatically in the future, leave it enabled. If you prefer to renew manually yourself, turn it off. This step is important because it helps you stay in control of your domain billing. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Order. This moves you to the billing stage where you'll choose how to pay for your domain. At the billing stage, select Secure Card Payment. This is the option you'll use if you want to pay with a debit card. Namecheap accepts supported Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express debit cards, so make sure your card is one of the accepted types. Now enter your debit card details carefully. Type in your card number, expiry date, CVC and billing address exactly as they appear on your bank records. Double-check everything before continuing because even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. After filling in your card information, click Continue. Namecheap will then show you a final review screen where you can check the order details and the total amount. Look over the price one more time so you know exactly what you're about to pay. If everything is correct, click Pay Now. This submits your payment and starts the processing stage. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to complete OTP verification or 3D secure authentication. If that happens, just follow the instructions from your bank and approve the payment on your phone or in your banking app. Once the verification is complete, wait for the payment to be processed. This usually only takes a short moment, but it may vary depending on your bank and payment method. When the purchase is successful, go to your domain list inside Namecheap. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed. Look for your new domain and confirm that it appears in your account. If it's there, that means your purchase was successful and your domain is now registered. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy a domain from Namecheap with a debit card. You searched for the domain, added it to your cart, reviewed the order, completed payment, and confirmed the domain in your account. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.